Standing out here in the field today, there's a break in the weather and it's cooler and overcast, and I'm really enjoying the sounds of the farm. So I'm gonna show you what I'm enjoying. The sounds and the smells, actually. So right there you can see our Chinese chestnut trees. They've been blooming and filling the air with perfume for the last week, and they're just about done. It's a really heavy scent that we enjoy every June, or some people don't enjoy it. And the meadow down there, our walnut trees. It's just so peaceful. I can hear the chickens off down at the bottom of that hill, crowing and balking, and laying their eggs. The crew is out here in the field picking peas, enjoying the break in the heat. It's been in the 90s this week, and they've been faithfully out in the fields picking vegetables for our vegetable deliveries. And that reminds me of how much we love to share the farm with everyone, especially on our farm tours and our pizza events. And we have our next pizza night coming up on July 10th. So there's time still this week and next few days to sign up for that. Fill our deck with people who are enjoying really local farm to table food with our brick oven sourdough crust pizzas and the best cheese and cured meats and farm fresh vegetables. It's just really an amazing experience. So it's really hard to get pizza like this unless you're buying our crusts and firing it yourself and using our boxes of vegetables to top it. That comes pretty close too. So that's July 10th, and you can go to willowhavenfarmpa.com/pizza night in order to get the information and registration for that. And let me take you in a little bit more of a walk around the farm. This field, you can see here that we have we've picked some of this lettuce, and this is white plastic that we planted on to keep the lettuce plants cooler while we're in the heat of the summer. Lettuce doesn't really like the heat that much, so it's doing really well. We've got some herbs here. I don't think we've offered the chamomile yet, but it looks like this could go in boxes. Parsley we've been picking and enjoying in spring tabbouleh salads, and the cucumbers have just started, and tomatoes will be a few weeks away, but that's the best kind of tabbouleh. And here is our flowering purple or cinnamon basil. Cinnamon basil, actually, the purple basil is beautiful too. All the way down here. I just love the colors that we're seeing here in the east field. This is nice. We've got the nice clear blue skies. The sun has come up. And we're protected. And we've got some kind of cabbage here, I think. A late planting of broccoli. So that's the head of the broccoli just starting. And then with these cabbagey leaves, which are edible too. Plants are looking very nice. And then here's the big crop we've got here. We're working on the snap peas. So, hey guys, how many times have you picked snap peas?
I've only done it twice, but I think it was done more than that.
All right, Britta's done it twice.
Once. This is my first time.
Augustin's out here helping for the first time this year. So he's picking peas. Matthias, how many times have you been out picking peas? This year? Once? How many times do you come out to eat peas? Well, we're enjoying the peas. And here we go, walking along. You can see that they have stakes, that we've got these posts here and the strings to keep the peas growing up instead of laying on the path. We need to be able to get through here with some sort of a mower to keep the weeds down. And here's the fast picking crew, right? With their music to keep them going. Oh, you've got a ways to go there. Oh, look, there's another bin over there. They've been out here how long? Like maybe an hour?
I don't know what time.
Not
It's 9:25, so yeah.
9:25. They've been out an hour. So peas are pretty tedious to pick. And so they got to keep themselves with their music and some motivation to keep their hands moving in order to get as many peas picked as possible. So there we go. And then Annika's got a few flowers back there, but zinnias. This is her first week of flower shares, and I can't really get over there to show you because I would have to hop the strings of peas, and I'd probably get tangled up in it, and I would probably fall over and ruin this video, or take out a stake or a couple of the strings. So that's the excitement of what we're doing for our veggie boxes at Willow Haven Farm this week. We've been picking a lot of stuff in the heat and just trying to survive. So we hope you're happy with your vegetables. We are happy farming for you, and we're gonna keep doing it. I'll see you again soon at Willow Haven Farm, hopefully on a farm tour this weekend, 1 o'clock on Saturday, or on pizza night next weekend, July 10th, 5 to 7. Go to Willow Haven Farm PA/pizza night to get all the information to reserve your spot. See you then. Bye.